Hello friends!
Cool Brotherz are back with a new exciting video.
Today we are going to show some healthy pudding.
Mango Chia Pudding.
Ingredients needed are 1 cup of almond milk,
1/4 cup of chia seeds,
1 cup of mango puree,
2 tablespoons of honey. We are adding almond milk to the bowl. Then we will add chia seeds to it. Then we need to mix it. Keep it for 1 hour.
It's ready.
Wow, it became thick.
Meanwhile we prepare mango puree.
Now let's add some honey to the thick mixture. And mix it.
It's time for layering.
First we are adding some dry fruits in the jar.
Add chia pudding.
Now we are adding some mango puree.
Chia pudding again.
Now some mango puree. Now some dry fruits on the top.
Mango chia pudding is ready.
Looks so yummy.
Now we are making chocolate chia pudding.
First we are adding 1/4 cup of milk.
2 tablespoons cocoa powder.
Now mix it again.
Adding some honey.
For making it yummy. Adding some chia pudding. We are going to mix it well and then keep it in the fridge.
Now it's time for layering.
Let's add some chia seeds.
Adding chocolate mix to it.
We are using grated chocolate to garnish.
Oh!
Our chocolate chia pudding is ready. Hope you enjoy our healthy puddings.
Thanks for watching.
Hey bro, where are you going?
Just going to meet Tejas.
Meanwhile, let me ask you a question.
Okay.
Two ants were walking on a road when they saw one elephant coming from the opposite side. One ant told another ant, "Let's go and beat him up."
Oh really? They are going to fight?
Let me complete the question, bro. What did the other ant told her?
Let's go and fight.
Come on, bro. The other ant told to her that, "No, forget it, yaar. He's alone."
Oh my god!